Hello everyone. We are out here working on the camper van again. It's a strong Saturday night. My mom's here to help us with the floors. Say hi, Mom.
Hey, I do more than clean.
Yeah.
I actually help.
So yeah, we got our floors in. So today we got some vinyl plank flooring and went ahead and laid it all down. Matched it up to our cabinet that was built before. We're not doing the flooring underneath the cabinet. We'll probably just paint underneath it.
Here, let's zoom in.
Yeah. Well,
Here we
don't zoom
go.
in on the bad part.
It's a work in progress.
Yeah.
That's right.
So, got us some floors. There's a couple random things that are sitting down that are just to hold down some of the parts we glued on the edges. You're not technically supposed to glue, but it's a van, so we went for it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And also got up, since the last video, got up some, basically just a radiant barrier on the sides. It's still a work in progress. There's a lot of people that are like anti-reflectics being on the walls, but since we're in a hot climate, we're more worried about the radiant barrier and not so worried about it being super insulated. So that's that step. And back behind us, there's a mess, but we're gonna put those cedar planks that are over there up on the roof. That's the next step, so those need stained first. But for now, we're briefly enjoying our finished floors with some beer.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Great job.
And then we'll put some little edges. Can't think of what's it called, Mom? Like that.
Some weather strip type trim
Yeah.
around to cover all the edges.
Yeah.
Some L strip.
And then that's that. So till next time, we're working on the roof.
All right. Woo!
Woo.